Right. So today we need to discuss about numerical problems from chapter Kinematics. And today's topic, numerical problems related to equations of motions. Equations of motion. To solve numerical problems related to equations of motion, we need to know three equations. So what are those three equations? Number one, V is equal to U plus AT. Number two, S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Number three, V square minus U square is equal to 2 into A into S. Here U stands for initial velocity, V stands for final velocity, A stands for acceleration, S stands for distance or displacement, T stands for time. So these are the notations. These three equations you should have idea, so that we can solve any numerical problem related to equations of motion. Now take worksheet 3. First question. First question. A motor bike initially at rest picks up velocity of 72 km per hour over a distance of 40 meter. Calculate the acceleration. So for any numerical problem, we have to write given data. So given data, you see what data they have given. Number one, motorbike initially at rest. So in any question, if they are telling body is starting from rest, initially at rest, falling freely, sliding down freely, so if you hear such type of sentences, you should write u value as 0. Initial velocity is 0, u is equal to 0. Then picks up velocity 72 km per hour. So from 0 it is moving forward. So final velocity is 72 km per hour over a distance of 40 meter. Distance, S value is equal to 40 meter. Calculate acceleration. A is equal to question mark. Now only one major point, all units must be SI units. All units must be SI units. Now we have to check U0, okay, chhod do, anyhow 0 into whatever it may be the unit, it is 0 only. V is 72 km per hour. Yeah, 72 km per hour is a unit, that's fine. S value they gave in meters. If it is in meter, this should be in meter per second. Now how to convert kilometer per hour to meter per second? 72 multiplied with 5 upon 18. Now 18 ones, 18 fours, 18 fours. Next, now what we'll get? 5 fours, 5 into 4, 20. So V value is equal to 20 meter per second. That we got. Now you have to solve A. How to solve A? Which formula we should take? Here we have three formulas. V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus u square is equal to 2as. Which one we should use? Okay, let us go with elimination process. If you want to use v is equal to u plus at, do we have v value in question? Yes. Do we have u value? Yes. A we should find, that's fine. T do we have? No. So you cannot take. Eliminate this. Yes, do we have S value? Yes, we have. U value do we have? Yes. T value? No. A value? No. T value? No. Don't use. Do we have V value? U value? 2, normal 2 you can take. A value we should find. Yes, do we have? Yes. Then let us use formula. V square minus U square is equal to 2 into A into S. Now we should find A. Send this 2 and S this side. 2 is multiplying. If it goes this side, divide. S is multiplying. If it goes this side, divide. V square minus U square upon 2 into S, which is equal to A. Oh, no? Now, what is V value? 20 you take. Don't take 72. We have converted, na? 20 square minus U value 0 square by 2 into S value 40, which is equal to A. What is 20 square? 400. Antena? 20 into 20. 20 0 0, 22 is 40, like that, right? 0 0, 4 2 is 4. 400. Minus 0 square is minus 0 square only. Upon 2 into 40. How much? Or else you write 2 into 40 only. 0 0 gets cancelled. 4 1s, 4 10s, 2 1s, 2 5s. That's it now. So at last what we got? A is equal to 5 meter per second square. Always we should write physical quantity is equal to numerical value into unit. Like that you need to solve the problem. Copy it. Okay. What is the second question? In the above question, calculate time in which it picks up above velocity. So what are the data we have seen? U is equal to 0, V is equal to, after conversion how much we got? 20, S is equal to how much distance it travelled? 40, and A value how much we got after proving? 5 meters per second square. This is meter, this is meter per second, this also meter per second. He is asking us to calculate T value. T is equal to question mark. Which formula we can use, which equation we can use? You see first equation of motion. V is equal to U plus AT. We need T na. Send that U that side, it becomes what? V, U is adding this side, if it comes this side, minus V minus U is equal to A into T. We need only T. Send that A that side. A is multiplying with T. If it goes that side, divide, which is equal to T. Now what is V value? 20 minus what is U value? 0 upon what is A value? 5, which is equal to T. 20 minus 0, 20 upon denominator 5, which is equal to T. 5 ones, 5 4s. At last T is equal to 4 seconds. That is the concept. Third question. An aeroplane lands at 216 km per hour and stops after covering a runway of 2 km. Calculate the acceleration. See, there is runway. There is a runway. From here, aeroplane lands. Here it is landing. When it is landing, what is the velocity they have given? Aeroplane lands at 216 km per hour. At the point of landing, its velocity is 216 km per hour and stops after covering a runway of 2 km. From here to 2 kilometers it travelled and here it stops. You see, in previous question, body is starting from rest, body is falling freely. In such type of cases, you will take u is equal to 0. Initial velocity is 0. What is initial velocity? What is meant by initial velocity? What is the meaning of initial velocity? Velocity at initial point. What is final velocity? Velocity at final point. Sorry? No. What is meant by initial velocity? What is meant by final velocity? Meaning. Initial velocity means velocity at initial point, final velocity. Velocity at final point. Now, in this case, what is initial point? Landing is initial point. What is final point? Stopping is final point. So 216 we have to consider it as u value. Stop, it stopped. Is there any velocity here? After stopping, no velocity. So v is equal to 0. That's it now? Right. Now what is the distance they gave s value? 2 km. Now what is asking us to find? Acceleration. With what acceleration it is moving? Is question clear? Now if you see all the options, they gave all options in meter per second square. So all SI units, all units should be SI. So let us convert this to meter per second. How to convert 216 to meter per second? 216 into 5 by 18. You should convert 2 km to meters. 2 kilometers means how many meters? 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 2 means into 2 na? Into 2. So 2 kilometer means how many meters? 2000 meters. So S value we got. Okay, V value anyhow it is 0. If you convert by 5 by 18 also, 18 by 5 also, it is 0 only. Now this 2 9s 18, 2 1s, then 2 0, 2 8 16, 9 1s, 9 1s 1, 9 2s 18. Right. Now we got 12 into 5. What is 12 into 5? 60. So we got u value as 60 meter per second, v value as 0 meter per second, s value as 2000 meters. Now we have to find a value. A is equal to question mark. How to find? Now which equation we should use? If you want, you can go with elimination method also. First one, why we cannot take? There is no t value. Second one, why we should not take? There is no t value. Third one, can we take? Yes, we can take. Because t values he didn't even mention. Let us take. V square minus u square is equal to 2 into a into s. What we should find? A. Send 2 and s this side. V square minus u square. 2 is multiplying with a. If it comes this side, divide. S is multiplying with a. If it comes this side, divide, which is equal to a. Now what is v value? 0 square minus what is u value? 60 square by 2 into what is s value? 2000, which is equal to a. Next, 0 square means 0, 60 square means here minus is there na? Minus 60 square means 60 into 60 divided by 2 into or 2 into 2000, 4000. 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled. Now minus 6 36 upon 40. 36 and 40 both are there in 4 table na? 4 tens 40, 4 9s 36. We got minus 9 by 10. 9 by 10 means how to convert? What would be the answer? Very good. Minus 0.9. A value na? A value is equal to minus 0.9 meter per second square. That is the option. Why you got minus? Because when aeroplane is landing, is that increasing its speed or decreasing its speed? Decreasing. So that only it is coming to stop na. Because of decreasing in speed, we will call that acceleration as deceleration. Deceleration. Deceleration values will be negative. Acceleration values will be positive. Now aeroplane is moving with acceleration or deceleration? Deceleration. So that only minus you got. Copy it. Next, what did he ask in that question? In the above question, find the time in which it comes to rest. Okay. We have all given data. This is. Now we should find t. T is equal to question mark. That's it, na? Okay. Which equation we can use? T we need. First we can use, na? Right. V is equal to U plus A into T. What is V value here? 0 equals, what is U value? 60 plus, what is A value we derived? Minus 0.9. What is T value? We don't know. That's what we have to find, right? Plus 60 if it goes that side. Minus 60. That's it, na? Plus 60 if it goes that side. Minus 60 equals minus 0.9 into T, right? Minus gets cancelled either sides. Then T is equal to, send this 0.9 that side. 0.9 is multiplying this side. If it goes that side, divide 60 by 0.9. How to calculate? So in decimal forms, if you are feeling difficult to calculate, what you can do? Multiply and divide with 10. Right, 60 into 10, 600 upon 0.9 into 10, 9. Now it is easy. Why only with 10 by 10? Why can't with 100 by 100? Is my question clear? Why, sir? We need to take 10 by 10 only. Why not 100 by 100? See, after point, how many digits are there? 1. So you should take 1 0. So 1 digit is there, so that let us take 1 0. 1 0 will be in 10. If you are having 0.99, then you take 2 zeros. If you are having 0. For this what you will take? 1834. That's it. Multiply this with 12340 value. Okay, right. Now 600 by 9. How to make it 600 by 9? 3 3s, 3 200s, isn't it? Now 3 200. 3 6 18, 2 0, 3 6 18, 2 0, again 6 18. It will be going on, na? So 66.6666 it will be going on. Instead of that, what we can do? So T is equal to 66.67 seconds. That's it. Copy.